Hey there, everybody. Just got the super feeder for automatic cat feeding purposes and wanted to tell you a little bit about it and how I customize it so we could use it for both our cats. So, this is the model that I received the other day. It's great. I think you can get it at super-feeder.com. I'll put some in the video notes for the actual URL. So it comes with everything you see here, plus one of these analog power timers. So basically, this is you set what time you want it to go on and off in a 24-hour time period, and it will provide power to the super feeder, which every time the super feeder gets power, it rolls through the feeding process. So basically, you put the food here in one of these tanks, or actually this is just an extension for the main tank, so you can put in that much food, and then once the timer goes off, power is provided and it spins through and puts out the desired amount of food. So a couple problems here. We have two cats, and this is only for one output, and then also the analog timer, just kind of boring, old school. So what I did was I bought a Belkin Wemo, and basically that just ditches this whole analog part, gives you a plug that you can plug anything into, and then you can control it from an iPhone. I'll bring up the interface here. So I named it Super Feeder, and then every time I press the power button here, it will turn on the super feeder and begin the feeding process. But I can also set up rules. So that'll be morning feeding and evening feeding. I have them disabled right now while I'm testing, but we'll get back to this in a second. I'll show you how I customized our system. So this here is our new super feeder. So built it yesterday with a bunch of lumber from Lowe's. And as you see here, here's the main system with one of the hoppers here, and then a big, I think it's 2.5 gallons, and then another one up here with a cap. So basically we can put in enough food to supply our cats with food for about a week. At least that's what we're hoping. It might be more, but we're only going to be gone. We're going to be gone 7 days for this Christmas holiday. So we wanted to make sure we didn't have to have anybody come over every day just to feed the cats. So basically, it gets outputted here, and then this is just a simple piece of cardboard that splits this 4-inch to 2-inch combiner. So it goes down here into this three-way with one of these. It's actually insulated up here, so nothing goes in there. And then so the cardboard comes all the way down here and then splits off. So this side gets fed and this side gets fed. So this comes out pretty evenly, so all the food has to do is fall out this side or fall out this side, and it gets split. And then it comes down here into one of these. Basically, it's like gravity feeder that I bought because the pipes go down. If it was just to drop into one of these bowls, it just bounces right out. So I have it go into the gravity feeder, and then there's a little piece of cardboard down there that is blocking it from bouncing, and on both sides. And this is all powered by a little DC adapter that plugs in to an extension cord that goes all the way around and basically plugs into the Wemo behind the cabinet. So let's try it out. So I got the iPhone here set up, and I'm just going to press power. Turns on the power. And the food coming out. It's actually both bowls are pretty full, so you couldn't really see the food coming out, but it was definitely there. So this is our project number 1 for letting our cats be independent for the 7 days when we're not going to be here, and the other one is and they already know the food's here, so they're coming out to eat. The other project that we're doing is the litter robot, so I'll have another video for one of those soon. All right, have a good one.